This week we're going to work on words that have the NG spelling in them. Let's take a look at our cards. The first sound is ang. What's the sound? Ang. Here we see a long A, ang, like in the word sang. The next sound is ung. There's a short U here, ung. What's the sound? Ung, like in the word sung. The next sound is ing. What's the sound? Ing, like in the word ring. And the last sound is ong. It has a short O, ong. Let's look at our sounds one more time. Ang, ung, ing, ong.